Welcome back, Python learners, as I actually turn it over to you now to do a coding challenge. If you're within Blackboard, you will see the code challenge guessing game with functions. I have a Word document to guide you through it and a base of a Python program. The base of the Python program you need to open and add code to make it function. Let's go look at what your challenge is by clicking on that link. I believe I already have it open, and it is right here. So the guessing game is like a childhood game where your parents may have entertained you on a car ride saying, I'm thinking of a number from 1 to 10, see if you can guess it. So here's the things you must do is enter a loop that will continue to loop until one of two things occur. The user types in a 0 to end the game, or the user wins the game by guessing a randomly generated number. Don't fret, I will show you how to do the randomly generated number. And if you wondered how you do that and you said Python must have a function or a module, you are correct. Prompt the user to enter a number between 1 and 100, and you get into a loop and you call a function and you give back feedback based on what they enter. If they enter a 0, stop the game. If the user entered a number greater than the secret number, point out too high, try again. If the user entered a number less than the secret number, point out too low, try again. And if they enter the secret number, you got it. Here's some sample output to show you a win or a lose. So we're going to go look at the base. Here it is. So we come in. Notice we import the random, and that is a package, just like I did import in a previous example. And we come on down. Here's the main. We call the main function. We go back up. Here's the main. We set the secret number to 0, the play to 1. While iPlay is greater than 0, because remember 0 is how you get out of the loop, we randomly generate a number between 1 and 100. This code, this is the package, this is the function, this is the beginning number, and this is the maximum number. This code will generate once per play a unique number between 1 and 100. Then we call a function called play the guessing game, where we pass in the secret number. And out comes whatever the user entered in. And then notice this is a while loop within a main function. And right here, when you come out of the loop, so the player press 0, we say thanks for playing. Here's what you need to do. Right here, you need to code the play guessing game and see if you can do it. I'll help you get going. We're going to come down here, and we're going to pop this in here, and we'll do something like this. Good luck, and look at the solution only after you tried.